Former National People's Party legislator from Sela, Fairlin C.H. Sangma, who recently resigned from the assembly to join the Bharatiya Janata Party, said that they were bound to leave the party because they were sidelined within the party. Even in our own constituencies, we had no say and literally we were driven out, she added. Whereas a former Raksamgre MLA, Benedict R. Marak, said that he was the chief executive member of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and questioned him being sidelined by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. The former Raksamgre legislator said that with Christmas knocking, the employees of the GHDC are yet to get their 3 years pending salaries.
Chief executive member, last 8 months, our district council, Christmas is so near, only 1 week left, but salary is still pending. 3 years above is going up.